caves and also just a ton of caves up to like Carve. I started off filming already. I'm already back from it, so that's why I'm all like soaked and refreshed from it. I started off filming as if I was continuing my other vlogs, so that's why it kind of starts off of being like the next day. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. It's the next day and it's cold, but I have the boat tour and it's raining. She's laughing. You can see it. You can see you laughing.
Can you see me laugh? Oh, I'm hiding.
But anyways, we're gonna walk down there because I don't know what's happening and we'll see. It's a bit sunnier out now, but we're just walking. There's a beach club right here because we're a bit early because I projected the time a bit too early walking down. So it's just over there. But we'll walk back in about 5 minutes.
Considered the best luxury resort in Europe in 2019. And they say a night there in that villa in glass that belongs to the resort can cost you from 15,000 to 20,000 euros a night. So I can say that.
I feel like I'm in Disneyland on a river cruise ride.
Can you see the crocodile on the top? All this rock here, this was a cave before also. So all the ceilings have been broke and it's underwater now.
Okay, we're back. It was really fun. I definitely recommend. It's definitely worth doing. I'm so soaked. Okay, I am back, showered, not freezing anymore. I'm a little cold, but not freezing. It was just a cold day in general today. My overall review of the actual boat tour was really good. Like, I really enjoyed it. I feel like, you know, you see things that you wouldn't actually see. I do think Benagil is a little overhyped. It is really cool, of course, and totally worth seeing. But I feel like the other caves, like this one was called Paradise Cave. I'll like kind of insert a little thing here so you kind of know which one I'm talking about. The Paradise one was like my favorite one just because the water looks so nice. The sun shining through and like all the little like just aspects of the rocks were really cool. I'm glad I went to like Benagil. It was 11 a.m. on a Thursday, so it wasn't too busy, but it is May, which is also why it's not tourist season. So if you want to do these types of things, even though it's colder weather, it's definitely worth doing these times of year because then it's not busy. Because I've heard Benagil gets like crazy in the summer with the amount of tours that they're doing. So yeah, I'm glad I went during this time. I 100% would do again. Maybe not again. If I were to do it again, I would do it on a kayak tour. Because you actually get to go on the land, but we didn't get to go on the land. That was the only thing that was like, eh. We still got our photos. I did some like disposable photos, so I'm excited to like get those. That is my little Benagil vlog.